Well, guys, gals, today I got something really special. As you can see, it's a 1970 GTX on steroids. What do I mean by that? Well, here's your power plant. Supercharged HEMI SRT8 Hellcat motor, professionally installed on this beautiful GTX. And wait till we go for a test drive and hear this motor whine out on that blower supercharger. The paint on this beautiful car is a 10. The chrome, the grille, the trim, the dog dish wheels that match the car, the infamous GTX logo, which is one of the biggest logos for a muscle car in its era. Underneath is all body color. As you can see there, it's a full rotisserie restoration that has been completed. I'm going to continue to go over the car here with you. Everything on this car is really in pristine condition. All the glass, all the trim, the dash pad inside, the carpet, the bucket seats, the paint, like I said, dual exhaust, sounds amazing on this car. And actually a friend of mine built this car and did one heck of a job. My hat's off to Kevin. Been around these cars for 30 plus years, and this is one of the finest ones I've seen. Look at this thing. Top shelf, guys. If you've been looking for a pro touring car, it's got an automatic 3-speed 727 reverse valve mild shift kit. Just a lot of cool stuff. First place winner over at the World of Wheels 2023. I believe we have a photo of that somewhere as well. I'm gonna fire this thing up really quick. I just want you to hear it, and then we're gonna go for a beautiful test drive on this gorgeous day. How can you not get excited about this? Are you freaking kidding me? The body lines on a 1970 is where it's at. Beautiful square body. No complaints here. As you can see, the air grabber setup. It does have exhaust cutouts, electronic exhaust cutouts as well. Meticulous, gorgeous. Guys, honestly, that was like not even a tenth of a throttle. Jesus, Kevin, what did you create here? Woo! So it's a manual shift, guys. Like I said, 3-speed 727. This thing is quiet as can be as well. That's the whole point of a Hellcat. Do a U-turn here. was 80 miles an hour. I just rolled the throttle 25%. We're gonna head back to the dealership, guys. This thing is insane. I can't believe I'm driving this beautiful, beautiful car. You guys gotta love it, man. This job is awesome. Well, we're gonna head back to the dealership. If you guys need financing, go to mgmclassiccars.com. If you need a delivery quote, call me or text me at 847-848-1850. Text me your zip code and I'll get you a quote. Thanks for watching mgmclassiccars.com. My name is Thomas. Have a wonderful day.